Sum function in Excel. The sum formula in Excel is a fundamental tool for performing calculations and data analysis. It allows users to quickly obtain the total sum of a range of numbers, making it invaluable for tasks such as budgeting, financial analysis, and statistical reporting. By entering a sum, followed by the desired range or individual numbers separated by commas, users can easily add up values within cells, rows, or columns. What makes the sum formula particularly powerful is its versatility and ease of use. Users can apply it to numeric values, dates, times, and even with other functions, allowing for complex calculations and data manipulation. Additionally, Excel provides convenient features like AutoSum, which suggests the range of cells to sum up based on adjacent data, saving time and reducing errors. Furthermore, the sum formula can handle empty or non-numeric cells gracefully, ensuring accurate calculations even with incomplete or inconsistent data. It can also be applied across multiple worksheets or workbooks, enabling users to consolidate data from various sources and perform calculations on a larger scale. Overall, the sum formula is an essential tool for both personal and professional use in Excel, simplifying data analysis and streamlining workflow processes.